Here's something I thought I'd never say. Fragrance shopping at CVS. Can't believe some of the names they actually have in this case. But we are here for the buy one, get one half off on the Dossier. And I don't know about y'all's, but mine seems to be pretty stacked with basically all of the good ones. There's a couple that were kind of hidden. They do have the it factor. Someone shoved a box over the woody sandalwood, and there's a Baccarat 540 over here. Now, everyone was saying they got a $10 off, but I got a 40% off. So I immediately went back in after grabbing these two obvious choices, and I was able to snag the Tom Ford Lovers Trio Pack for 40% off. So I'm definitely saying y'all need to get to CVS.